How to check who didn't accept your follow request on Instagram. At first, open your Instagram app, then go to your profile, then click on this three horizontal line. Click on account center, scroll down and click on your information and permission, and click on download your information. Click on download and transfer information. Click on some of your information and then scroll down and click on this connection and select all. Click on next and then click on download to device and select date range, like I'm choosing all time. Click on save and then click on notify and give your email here and then just click on create files. If you click on create files, Instagram will send you a file on your email and you can open that file and you can see whoever didn't accept your follow request on Instagram. If this video helped you out, subscribe my channel. It will help me a lot. Thanks for watching.